In the confrontation between the stream and the rock, the stream always wins, not through strength, but by perseverance. Jackson Brown. Kaizen at Library is a humble group learning initiative at the library in this campus. And this initiative was made open to all the delegates, especially on the occasion of the 2 days national conference. Keeping the expert committee's recommendations, we have come out with 2 winners for this event particularly. The second prize goes to Ms. Jayamma, Government Science College. I request the chief guest to kindly hand over the memento. Ma'am works in Government Science College as a librarian. The first prize goes to Mr. Gopakumar from Goa University. I request the chief guest to again and Ishwaran sir to hand over the memento. Thank you, delegates, for your active participation and enthusiastic outlook towards the new initiative that was proposed. The land of opportunity is an attitude. I request a few of our delegates to share their thoughts, and for the same, I invite Ms. Anvesha Bhattacharya from Indian Statistical Institute.
Myself, Anvesha Bhattacharya, student DRTC. Firstly, I would like to extend my sincere thanks for giving me one of the best paper awards to Jain University, the organizing committee, the delegates present on the dais and off the dais, and Dr. Krishnamurthy sir, Dr. Ashwini sir, who has been my teacher. And I would also like to extend my sincere thanks on behalf of my fellow friends in DRTC, because this is, I believe, not only inspiration for me, but all the students who have taken little initiatives to showcase the attempts we make in writing something, and this will help us to take more initiatives and take bigger steps and strides for the future of our profession. And if I have to say a single word to describe my feelings about this conference, it has to be, and I repeat, it has to be wonderful. Being a student, I didn't have much exposure to conferences, and especially this is the first time I have got a chance to present a paper. I know simply expressing my gratitude to Krishnamurthy sir is short of what actually me, my friends here, and also all the participants here actually feel. Sir has been instrumental in making the conference a grand success. I would also like to extend my sincere thanks to Dr. Meeramani ma'am for her continuous effort and coordination to help the organizers transform the dream into a reality. And I would like to say that all the technical sessions had included well thought out topics which are of great help to both the professionals and we the students. And I'm sure many of us have got the leads of our future works from this conference. And I enjoyed all the speeches of the invited speakers. They were all very informative and inspiring, and I also liked the energetic presentation of Mr. Anand Bhairappa. I strongly believe that this is the kind of energy we, the future LIS professionals, need to show if we have to continue making a mark in our noble profession. I would like to now throw light on few of the things of this conference which I thought are of special mention, like the cordial behavior of each and everyone in this conference, with special mention to the eminent personalities who have been very encouraging with whatever, whenever we have approached them with any type of query. Then and what as a student of LIS I liked most about this conference is the fact that this conference has given us a platform to show the little initiatives and help us gain the courage to take bigger strides for the future of our profession. The tasty food of 1947, the background music has created the perfect ambience. The networking lunch, if I am allowed to say so, provided an informal atmosphere for the fruitful discussions. A special thanks to all the students of Jain University who looked after the nitty-gritties and assisted in all possible manners. And finally, a very big thanks to the Vice Chancellor, the Director, Management of Jain University and the organizers for giving this opportunity to all the students and the LIS professionals for coming up with this idea of organizing the conference on trends in management of academic libraries in digital environment. Thank you all.